Hey guys, Darth Vader here, and today I'm going to be replacing a split gear that is in the side-to-side mechanism of this Grave Raver right here. What I'm going to be using is an 8-tooth gear, and the tools that I'll be needing will be just a regular Phillips head screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a needle nose pliers. And of course you're going to need the 8-tooth gears. And you can find those pretty much anywhere. You can find them on eBay. That's where that's where I got my gears. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start. So the first thing that we're gonna do is take out the batteries. Alright, and then we're gonna unscrew these 4 screws in the bottom cover of the base. So let's go ahead and do that. And I could have used a drill. But I'm kind of too lazy to get up and get it, so I'm just going to use a screwdriver. You can use a drill if you want. It'll be much faster. Alright, and just one more screw left. This should not take that long. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to take off this entire back cover. Get these screws out of the way. And then the gear is inside this gearbox. That is where the split gear is. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our smaller screwdriver and then take out these 2 screws right here. Hang on, wait. Yeah, these 2 screws right here, that is holding the gearbox into place. Alright, and then just this gear, or no, not gear, this screw. Right, now just pull out the gearbox. Just grab onto it and just pull. That came out really easily. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our smaller screwdriver again. We really don't need this screwdriver anymore. We're only going to need that at the end. So we just take these 4 screws out. And there's a reason why they are not completely screwed into place. The reason why they are not completely screwed into place is because so that if you have this cover on the gearbox too tight, if you have it on there too tight, then the gears won't be able to move. So yeah, there's a reason why these screws are not screwed in all the way. Right, now just one more screw left. Okay, now just take off this cover right here. And then this, this gear right here is the one that is split. So get your pliers. Needle nose pliers is preferred. So just use your needle nose pliers and just get that out of there. You don't need that gear anymore, so you can just go ahead and throw it away. I don't care what you do with it. Burn it, trash it, I don't know. But anyways, as you can tell right here, you probably can't tell because it's really blurry, but there's a crack right here in the gear, right there. Focus in. I don't know if you can see it right there, but there's a gear, why did I just say there's a gear? There's a crack right in there in that gear. You probably can't see it, but it's right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our new gear and just put it back in there. I'm going to go ahead and focus again because it's blurry. Just take your new gear and then just put it back into the place where the old gear was. And it's going to fit on there pretty tightly, so because it's a new gear. So just press down. Come on. Hang on, I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm gonna have to cut the video real quick. Alright, so I pushed the gear back into place. And now this gear over here is misaligned, so just quickly align that again. Just like that. And then just put that cover back on. Okay. I don't know if you can see that, but in there's this thing that's blocking the way. You cannot see that. That's fine. But I'm gonna get a paper clip real quick. So basically, that right down there, that thing, that black thing is blocking the way. So I just got this paper clip so I can push it out of the way. There we go. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the gearbox back into the base. So meanwhile, enjoy the awkward silence in the meantime. But okay, so you don't want to apply too much pressure when you're putting it back in, because this goes all the way up to here. So when you push this up, that'll push it up to here, so you don't want to break anything. I don't know if what I said made any sense, but okay. And then just push it in. All right, there. Push it in just a little bit more. All right. Now get these screws and just screw them back into place. Over here. And then the other screw, which goes right here. Alright, so now that that is done, oh, I forgot to do something. Forgot to put the 4 screws back into here. That was a really dumb move. Well, I'm just gonna take these screws back out. Sorry about that. I don't know how I could forget about screwing this thing back into place, but oh well, everybody makes mistakes. Okay, so where did those screws go? Okay, so just take the screws and just screw them back into place over here, and make sure you don't screw them in all the way. Don't make it too tight, otherwise the gears will not be able to move because of the amount of pressure. So yeah, just screw them in about halfway. Just screw them in about halfway. That should be fine. Alright, just 2 more screws left. Alright, and where did the last screw go? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Alright, so like, yeah, you see that how I have them screwed in? They're screwed in about halfway, and that's for a reason. Because, again, if you screw them in too tight, then the gears won't be able to move. There'll be too much pressure. Okay, so now you can put it back into the base. Hopefully you didn't make that dumb move that I just did by forgetting to screw in the top cover of the gearbox. Come on, this should not be that hard. I might just have to cut the video real quick here. Alright, pushed it back into the base. Now just take these screws and screw them back in to actually hold the gearbox into place. Alright, so that screws in, and then put this one in right over here. Oh. Okay, let's try that again. Come on. See, there's a magnetic tip on this screwdriver, which allows me to keep the screw on there. That makes things a lot easier. All right. Holy crap, this video has been going on for about 13 minutes. Sorry about that. Really, this shouldn't take you this long, but I don't know. In reality, it really should only take you about maybe 7 minutes, but yeah. Alright, so now we just gotta put this back cover back on here. And so I'm gonna cut the video again real quick. Okay, so now we just screw it back into place. This is where you're gonna need this screwdriver again. Alright. Alright, just 2 more screws left, and then we are done. So then after that we can just go ahead and put the batteries back in. Just 1 more screw left. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the batteries back in, and then we will try it out with the new gear. Right, let's try it. Nice. Alright, so we have successfully replaced the split gear in the side-to-side mechanism. And so yeah, if you like this video, make sure to put a like on it and subscribe, and comment down below to let me know what you think of this video. And I'm just going to go ahead and activate them one more time, and then I'm going to end the video. Alright, see you in the next video, guys. See you later.